Right.
Hold on then.
Upnlive show. Know the thing up. Feel Marshall Shanti Force. So I say make sure you stream Machiavelli out right now. Video out on my YouTube channel. Go subscribe. So I say DJ Eric, the little brown rat. You know the thing up. Dragon, Fire Q. You know the thing up. Watch out now. New year, new month, new week, new day, same procedure. Decide to be a man of action and not a dreamer. Some boy no like fear my voice through the speaker, but I feed them girl no stop blow like a hurricane Katrina. Damn, read a song then Cecilia. Want me probation, no I'm not a drugs dealer. My artist, money me collect for my features. But when me hear the crowd I sing my song, the part the sweeter. Like me no bother want your pussy cause you don't get a waste man. They already out the line they couldn't reel her. Them say Mason Green would go wallet and take. No, them go take the dog off of FIFA. Inna your mama you fit truck and dive your way up on live. You not like me not like you neither. Palm me right now, me have me 9mm. Fly through airport, no still can't come up on duty for free. See the shade them true, me no feel on me duty for speak. Cause nobody nah listen when them tune a release. How much song them drop, still I might tune a repeat. I feel up on your P's and Q's for sell the Q's for the P's. Video for shoot, few dub plate and me shoot it with these. You woulda laugh if me tell you say, Mr. Producer, girl around there killing with beats. Hey, what you says in the market, no meds deny. Either you with or against me, so make your choice. Are the people I say Shanti Force, are the next for rise. Girl want give me peace, she say me have a sexy voice. Me just say get she white, put on me song, repeat and make she white. Yeah, wind up your body, yeah, wind up your body. Them say confession good for the soul, but nothing can usher. From page in your wall, yo, and me a fuck you. Tata you in me arms, get my cocky tougher. God bless your pum pum, pray you never suffer. Yo, you know the thing go in the front page, the back road. You see what I say? You can't shoot any rhythm now, you know the thing go. Yeah. Upnlive, you got the people them on the live. You see what I say? Make sure you follow me at Shanti Force if you're not. Follow it. Make my breakfast out 100 feet. Now have time I waste dog. Spend too much nights and days na the jail yard. No coward na the street. I'm go roll with brave heart. You them a star and my friend them a be a boss. Just collect a food, yeah, you know man a share half. Get to a leap done, it still feel like the day sharp. Before me learn to drive, yeah, me used to make beer walk. How me feel comfortable and my mother still at work. Nah stop, can't stop, me 2 foot and me and a work. Me soldier want a food, so me give him another work. Officer, me car clean, you want give it another search. Me a stay ahead of the game, in other words. Keep the circle small, me links them big in the world. Every day we live another lesson that I learn. G are the highest piece of essence that I burn, man. Give thanks for life, man, fit and healthy. Me govern me things, so no boy can't bench me. Yeah, me turn a father well before me at 20, and me still turn out alright to see it evidently. Shaquan want some Gucci and Zion want Fendi. My daughters I forget the Chanel them plenty. The boy them a hate and me know them a envy. Me they are cool out pan the hills a senti, and me there with my friend them. The friend them what did they when man used to foot it. You know the thing going in the front page, no back road. Yes, I shoot again. Yeah. Big up the ladies them. You see what I say, you know the thing going. Big up the thugs them. So many songs. Watch out now. Upnlive, hey. We a lucky place and that them no lie. Girl jaws fly. Upnlive. Girl jaws a fly like carbonate. Hey, oh Jesus, God damn it. Any flight where we take a first class. Yeah, we live life as a boss, how we style them organic. Yeah, from page them can't stand it. Yeah, we watch it fool them attack. Upnlive tell them more why me a feel off alright from page. Yeah, give them something to talk about. Now we upon February done for March out. Now we a jacket all if we they are not cool. What you mean by that? A DNA pan phone. Some bad girl couple narcos, girl a pop out a blue. Say them want start show. Them love me fresh clocks smooth when they can't roll. And when we gone home, hey, the more them talk, the more we make moves. And why we say front here, we put them pan news, them lose. Yeah, you know see the whole of them confused. Man put them pan mute, them know me thing loud. Enough time them see me a stage show a live crowd. After me collect the money, all me a think out. A girl jaws a fly like carbonate. Oh Jesus, God damn it. Any flight where we take a first class. Watch out no. Yo, come in about the one your pussy cause you don't get a waist man. They already gal a boom pa me cocky a brace up on the steady. Pretty girl we full of makeup on the telly. Me and do this from the days of Blackberry. Full of girl like book where you in the library. Make you sing a high note. My y'all Mariah Carey. My bun a big place. If a little henny she spread out the pan me set me send it in a she belly. Yo, Upnlive, the gal a fool you fuck. She brought my vibes, you know see me one cut. Hey girl, you chat too much. My black girl has your message, what's up? that gal a fool, you fuck. She brought my vibe, then I see me one cut. Hey girl, a chat, too much Rick Black, yo. Watch I know, Upnlive set. Fi big up every girl with a tight tool. Nothing on the Samsung and nothing on me iPhone. No say pussy fi watch a who that a fly drone. How when we call them boy the night owl. Never me fi send a message day or night. Yalla, you are the worst, listen to the Yaiko. You feel you coulda get the wife title after you fuck every man you whether you not the Bible. Upnlive, the gala fool ya. You know see me one cut. Hey girl, a chat too much. My black yo, one fresh one again. Watch out now. Artist girl inna the dance me ya. Look at who wanna she me a talk be. Big are you if you have a man tell him you're old. Split in a two, if she have to make a choice and me she chose. From page where she say peekaboo. Hood print na me grey shot she get a smooch. Me no poor command that a Pikachu. See a nice clean skin, you see these tattoos. My bun a big spliff, she beat a juice. Anxiety chipping hard, beat a zoo. Me practice safe sex so me need a boots. Tell me sa girl in say him need a youth. No me no inna the walk leap a rules of we make girl come me shoulda keep a school. Fucking at the car back now they seat a pool. When me make jaws fly and now me teeth a pool. Yo, oh.
But they want the freestyle then what?
You know the thing guy the front page, no back road.
No. But they are quiet and don't want it. I tell me I watch it. That's a yo. God no star. Effortless. Dragon, what's there?
Well, steamy. Pierce, hey. Fire.
And watch out now, the first freestyle.
Yeah.
This morning me finish. Right, meds it, you get me, I write it.
And this morning?
Yeah.
So people
when the artists them are forward over here,
yeah.
We don't want them forward and just DJ song with the people in here already. Cause you see like when the artists them forward on fire in the booth and these things, forward with fresh material. You get what I'm saying? So we have to kind of try raise the level. Cause Upnlive not is the closest to the this a professional settings this.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? So we have to deal with it professional. You get what I'm saying?
I'm glad that you say it.
No, fully.
Cause right now, no disrespect to the rest of the peers them. Apart from stylogy,
yeah.
I'm not seeing nobody as levels right now close to Shanti Force. I'm not really business one vex because I true. Obviously everybody has them thing individually.
Yeah.
And we're proud of everybody, but we talk about like feel like lyrically at the closest matchup that I see right
so
now.
let me ask you a question. Do you think
big up to your boss, yeah.
big up stylogy, but you think stylogy is a lyrical mean killing war machine like Shanti and brain tear them because people know stylo.
A different type of artist.
Is more for a catchy line.
Yeah.
Yeah. So different kettle, my friend.
Different kettle. Yeah, Jack, I don't say different kettle.
No, we're not going to fish.
No, we haven't fished that time.
Trouble! But what's the next move for Shanti? For you have any show coming up shortly?
Yeah, Saturday, first place over Versace party, the black and white with a bit of red.
Yeah.
This way I said the Valentine's special.
Of course.
Yeah, you know what? I would say look out for my show in May. You know what I'm saying?
You having a show?
Do a project like release sort of thing in May.
Okay.
We're gonna set the date officially and look out for the information. That's gonna be like soon we're gonna just kinda I've got some like bookings outer London area forwarding up. So yeah, but then soon in London
again.
Put a show in May, yeah.
Give thanks, brother. You know every time. Of course, man, as people levels to the freestyle. I remember if you're watching us online, make sure you go onto the YouTube channel, search for Upnlive Show, like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and make sure you click the bell something. So like a bell something there, go ding. Yeah.
And people, you know this Saturday, as roll it over Versace party. Remember, say Sasha I walk with the pole, you know. Sasha I walk with the pole. So you know the girl them, you know just let loose. You know our Valentine weekend. If I you your man there. Almost anything goes, but with the people, them man take time. Cause remember, I have to go back home and them something there. You know when something goes. So yeah, me like over Sasha keep it on that day, yeah. So the girl them when I have them own a man.
Yeah.
The mate them can go to cause.
Mate Valentine's.
No, remember
side chick Valentine's.
The side chick them can't really get the 14 and them something there. Yeah. So them can got the 12.
But
and the man we have the woman and the bonafide woman. When we have work per Monday. Saturday the thing, just get Versace things, everybody, all base covered.
Exactly. And people,
We cannot forget Friday night.
yeah.
Yeah.
Aquarius link up. We celebrate Brett's Earth Strong.
Yeah.
Breds, what can we expect?
Greatness, fun, party, enjoyment.
Wait up.
Legal venue.
That was up argument there.
Legal.
Well, the girls them can forward and get.
League.
Wait up.
Legal venue though. And
Explain the legalities. Where's the venue?
it Nagano is crying up on the fly from day one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, so
Is there a
The top floor is still
so
cheaper in it.
there's any dress code towards the party?
I said before, first make sure them people in bed. Hygiene is a must. Put on some good clothes. But say grown and sexy means say just look presentable enough to come out and just party like you're grown people.
But like remember sometimes we are kidding us. So when you say grown and sexy, you have to kind of you have to dumb it down. Cause remember say me feel like I'm more being forward from.
Man, them put
So
on
you know, fully
clothes.
done.
When them want some girls see them and look at them differently, like them have money, like them not have none.
But all I know like so me do like so me come down there and me say chopper style, you know.
Yeah, alone come down.
All I know me just they no money me have. So come and do like so with that one cut off jeans. You know, I'm a Clark's boot. And remember, you know, me make sure say me bleach out the foot and left it heel back them. So you know, you can't say chopping money up.
And also there's
Reload of Chacha Friday
Chacha
is happening
Fridays.
on Friday. Big up to Sparks and Turkey. It's King Terror. He's no longer.
Oh, yeah,
King.
I didn't get
As you
vexed
He
when I
got
carry.
upset with.
As you
Bro,
said,
no,
as you said,
listen. Terror and I have a big sister, a little
Yeah.
sister, big brother. Him knows a mistake. It's a typo.
I just said that
understand?
about Terry, yeah. Mix one said I have a new member to their team. Jesus Christ, I forget my name.
Really?
Yeah.
What's an
Breads.
announcement?
Breads.
You
go shake it. You go
yeah,
shake
you're
it.
shaky.
You
If
go
you remember
shake it.
that.
Yeah.
And also
Shakiness.
there's a new Friday night.
Logix.
DJ Logic.
DJ Logix, the new
Is a
member
part
of
of
Mix
Mix
Master.
Master.
UK. Right.
Okay, there's a new Friday
Another
night. Blake is Caribbean History. It's called Early Friday, so you forward out from 6 o'clock in the evening
Black House Road.
until 2.
Don't
It's
get
on
Friday.
Unit 6A Upland Business Park.
Okay.
So make sure to forward it. So early party, music I play. You can get your swim around your
One bag of
everything.
things.
Yeah.
See, all you put
On Saturday, cross the water on them side there. Mikey was how she dance.
as well as
And
and over the other
And
side.
cross side over my side,
DJ Mike one
the
and
best
DJ
place
Wire.
in London, South London.
DJ Mike one, DJ Wire have them. Them
Jaga,
Right there.
Jaga,
Right
I see
there,
our Sunday party. What go on there, sir?
You know,
Well, you know, like
Feel a Vibe Sundays.
I mean,
Big up to Lady
Petal.
Lady Petal
them,
and
you
the
know,
team.
yeah.
Right there,
Big up,
so.
big up the team, you know.
Yeah.
Like, remember South London and remember my birthright too, you know, 'cause, you know.
Yeah.
My neighbor's ring almost cut over there.
All right.
Yeah,
what did
but
they
left
say?
it
And
there,
you
so-
pay, and you pay your tax them, though.
Yeah, big up Lady Petal,
Yes.
Burrow, and
Yes.
Megalinks. They're the one that does it, so
Yes.
get clarified, isn't it?
Okay.
Yeah. So, there are a lot of events to go to. Only per date them today. Only per party I keep on certain dates. Just forward out. Go and enjoy yourselves. Be safe.
Yeah, and more or less, you know, one little good little advice. Ladies, wanna, you know, do the do. Take your people a man and go on with yourself and do it responsible. Because I don't want you say wifey stab mate or mate stab wifey. A man them too. When you grind him and them woman, nobody go play Shanti song and throw a word on people, you know, and that's something they not go work out. Just go easy, dog.
Yeah.
For Valentine, just make it smooth. Nobody with the violence. Just
Alright.
nice and easy.
Alright.
Versace, I think, no, Shanti probably have go band that song in a Versace party, you know. Because me
Be a
say,
fighter, bro.
me hear say the man them, I come out to a fuck the man them, girl. And me say the whole of the mate to them, I forward out.
Jaga and careful.
Oh,
man.
what is-
Yo, you so like you want to kill
Mine,
yourself.
that says something wrong.
Yeah, man, say, big up Shanti Force, I don't
Yo,
know.
yo, Una, but
One of the
yo,
first.
I'm talking.
One of
I'm
the
speaking,
first.
brother.
One of the first UK
Yeah.
dancehall
Artist.
artists and female artists couple where they were going themselves.
Where's that UK Beyonce and Jay-Z?
Not Will and Jada. There's the kind of things going on the round table.
No,
isn't it?
I can't will and Jay-Z.
Hold up.
No, that's something now.
What up?
Yes. Big up yourself, you. They don't know. Nobody can't see them know what's going on right now. So them can't approach Miss Bandy now yet. After them never know.
Of course.
Straight front page.
Remember, say Miss Bandy I perform Saturday as well, so they
Yes.
can forward for the combination.
And people don't know it thing go. We run a little bit overtime,
Overtime.
so you don't know it thing go.
Oh,
As
sorry.
you believe in every week, I want to say, love on a brother and sister, let love rule in everything on the door. I want to say, read a book in a youth. Because brain power is the main power nowadays. Saying, until
Yeah.
next week.
See you next week, guys.
Blessings.